What up? What up, YouTube? Putting in a new light in the bedroom in here. It's super dark. This is an incandescent light fixture, and I got a cool new LED light. So I already got the power switched off. Let me just take off the fixture. Step one, take off the cover. Step two is we're gonna loosen up these two screws right here, and that way we can turn this and it'll come down. See that fluorescent light bulb? Lame. Okay, so there's actually only one screw holding this thing on. You can see it right there. And then you see the ground, the neutral, and the power switch. So I'm just gonna and I'm just gonna disconnect those and just unattach this fixture. Okay, YouTube, this is a new light, LED flush mount light that I got at Costco. You can see it's brushed nickel finish, uses only 21 watts instead of 120. No light bulbs to replace, it's dimmable, instant on at full brightness. There you go. Let's see what we got here. By the way, I got this at Costco. Alright, so check this out, YouTube. New technology, baby. No light bulb at all whatsoever. It's just these tiny little squares. That is the light, or the light source is. That's where it comes from. And the cool thing about this is it actually came with some wire nuts, so I don't have to go to the store and buy some, because I actually don't have any. Because this light, the old one, the people who put this, they use the newer style connectors that are just like you just push the wire in there, but it's hard to take it out, so I'm gonna have to cut it, and since I'm gonna have to cut it, I'm gonna need some wire nuts. So luckily it came with that. Good to go, baby. Okay, YouTube, I got the old fixture removed. I stripped the wire because I cut off the old connectors. I'm going to use wire nuts instead, so that's what I'm about to do next. Okay, got the two screws on there. There's one right there. Actually, the other light fixture was missing a screw, and luckily this one came with its own set of screws, so that's awesome. So that's tightened up. A little bit loose. I still need to tighten it a couple turns more and test it out, and then put the cover on. Okay. Ta-da! Ta-da! It works. It's nice and tight on there. You can see the LED lights. There's no actual light bulbs on these. You won't ever have to replace this. Maybe in 20 years, but by that time there's going to be new technology anyway. So all you have to do now is to put it on. You'll notice that the cover has these little notches, and so does this right here. So you just line them up with the notches, and then turn it until it gets tight, snug, and then boom, you're done.